Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Hero. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Android Studio project to Firebase. So first of all, open your project whichever you want to connect to Firebase, then go to Tools, click on Firebase. After that, wait for a minute. Once the menu get loaded, select whichever feature you want from the Firebase. For example, for now I want real-time database. So I'll click on real-time database, then click on get started, then click on connect to Firebase. Your web browser will open. Now if it's asked to sign in, then you can simply sign in using one of your Gmail and then click on create a project, enter the name. It automatically detects the project name from here and click on continue. Again click on continue, select account and choose this option, then click on create project, then click on continue. While it's getting loaded, make sure you like, share, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any issue or want a video on some topic, you can comment down. Click on connect. After this, our app is connected to Firebase. So if I go back, just go to this official website. Okay, then you can see our project here. Click on it and here you can see the analytics. Now click on add the real-time database SDK to your app. Click on accept changes. Wait till the Gradle is building. As you can see, our Gradle build is finished and dependencies are set up correctly. Now you can simply write data in your database. You can check these sample codes and our database is connected. You can also check your build real-time database and you can create a database from here. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, share, comment this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.